All right, welcome to my recap of this past week starting March 31st. So, the first trade we have is Tesla puts, so 235 puts. And this was on Monday, March 31st. So, let's take a look at the 5 minute. I go back here. So, let's see. So I believe I called these out. So all these trades were called out in the Discord that I'm recapping. But first we have Tesla 235 puts. Expiration date was for this Friday, so the 4th today. Did take some puts around 7:15 a.m. So I remember entering around this candle right here after we broke through my 250 resistance area. We were trying to hold above it, but Tesla was not getting that push up. So after we broke below, I entered on this candle heading to, below 250 into 249. I'm not exactly sure what my contract price was, but I did exit most of these for about 25 to 35%. My runners went up to 35%. So yeah, I ended up taking profit down at this 245 level. So again, pretty easy trade. We just broke through my resistance, this candle right here, and entered on it. And yeah, and then the next trade called out was Nvidia. So this was on the 1st. So then Tuesday. Let's go back to Tuesday. So I did enter some puts once again, some 105 puts. I called these out at 7:17 a.m. Let's see. Yeah, I remember I sold these for about 10%. They weren't moving exactly how I planned on them kind of moving. So I remember entering on this candle right here once we held below my 108 level. And then we just got like a little bit of downside, and I think I just exited on this candle because again, we weren't really moving how I planned on us moving, and then we ended up moving higher the rest of the day. So that trade was an okay trade. It was a good setup, but we just ended up holding up volume and bullish volume. So had to exit that one for about 10%. And then the next day, I believe I took another Tesla trade on the 2nd. This one not Tesla, Nvidia trade on the 2nd. Took some 112 calls around 6:52. So around this candle right here. I remember taking these again because we're holding above this 108 level now. And then the next candle, we kind of broke through it and ended up heading higher for the day. So this one I did sell for a 15% loss. I got stopped out on these. Again, this was a good setup, but just a little bit early. We ended up, heading down slightly, and then the rest of the day just heading higher. So these would have been in profit, but had to wait on that entry just a little bit. And then the next trade I alerted, I believe, was... Yeah, I didn't alert anything on Wednesday. We were getting pretty choppy price action and just no confirmation at all. And then on Thursday, I did take some Netflix puts. So I believe it was April 3rd, so Thursday, yesterday. Took some 905 puts on Netflix. My stop was negative 20%, I believe. I ended up exiting these for around 30 to 40%, so pretty good. But I entered these and called these out exactly at 750, or that 745 candle that we got right here. Yeah, so my level on Netflix was this 921 level that we ended up breaking through and holding below. So I ended up entering off of this candle, and then yeah. So that was a pretty good A plus setup. We didn't get as much downside as I was hoping for, but still pretty good, almost $10 move down. Just a quick day trade as well. And then today I did not end up alerting anything. Obviously, you guys have seen all the downside that we have just been getting. If we just zoom out on Qs a little bit, obviously just a ton of downside. So on a day like this, I'm not going to alert any trades. Obviously, I'll give my watch list out. And if you're advanced enough, you will be able to take trades from my watch list. But when the market is this volatile, yeah, I'm definitely not giving out any trades. But yeah, that was just a quick little recap. Only alerted 4 trades, 3 winning trades, and then 1 got stopped out for negative 15%, but overall up on the week. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions. Again, just a quick little recap video of my trades that I took. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.